Hey guys, in this video I'm showing you how to buy a Twilio phone number so you can start sending texts, making calls, or building your own communication tools, whether it's for business, apps, or personal use. First off, go to Twilio.com and sign up or log in to your account. If you're new, you'll get a small credit to start with. Next, once inside the dashboard, click on Phone Numbers greater than Manage greater than Buy a Number. This is where you'll search for available numbers. Here's a pro tip. Use the search filters to find a number that fits your needs. You can filter by country, area code, voice, and SMS capabilities, and even if it's toll-free or local. Now, select the number you like and hit Add to Project. Twilio will show you the monthly cost and any additional fees, so make sure to review before confirming. Don't forget to configure your number settings after purchase. You can set up webhooks, assign it to an app, or enable SMS and voice features, depending on how you plan to use it. Once done, you're ready to start using your Twilio number for messaging, calling, or integrating into your own software or service. So should you feel stuck buying your first number? Not anymore. Just follow these steps and start building fast. Let me know in the comments what you're using your Twilio number for. And if you've built anything cool with it. And if you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe.